Hi guys, are you having trouble receiving calls on Messenger? It can be frustrating, sometimes to miss an important call or message from a loved one or a colleague. But don't worry, there are a few things you can try to fix the issue. So first, let us check your Messenger settings. Once you're done opening your Messenger app, tap these three horizontal lines and then tap the settings icon and then check the notifications and sounds if it turn off or turn on, and try making a call to see if the issue is resolved. But if you're still experiencing issues, you should check your internet connection. And weak signal strength or a poor internet connection can cause problems with messenger calls. Okay, you can try moving closer to your Wi-Fi router or connecting to a stronger Wi-Fi network. And that's it. By checking your messenger settings, logging out and logging back in, and ensuring a strong internet connection, you should be able to fix any issues with messenger not receiving calls. And thanks for watching, and I hope it helps.